Get in there. Go ahead. Get in.
Oh, there you are. I've been trying to find you, Smooch. Oh, hey, Winslow. I'm guessing you've had no luck with the great Candyman thing, right?
Yeah, it's so weird. Burnette's eggshell was hard, but it and Wart said theirs were like jelly. And they
Oh, get up.
Wow, that's weird. If only we had lost ours. Winslow, let's just keep playing.
Okay.
Yep, here.
Freeze.
Come here.
Guys, this has gone on long enough. It's a very interesting thing, this.
Where you going?
I think the three of us need to take a quick trip to Madison to clear this whole thing.
Hey,
Come on.
Rye. Rye. Ryan Hunter, come here. Oopsie. Get up and walk. There goes Fawn.
What do you want? Who wants you? I don't.
There you go. That's it.
Oh, yeah, that's real sexy.
Oh, yeah, that's better. Oh, wow, yeah.
Housewife's choice.
I'm not sure that t-shirt.
Get up, go see Adriana.
Color or shirt, I don't know.
Get up.
It's like, you're not thinking. I don't think you do it on purpose. But you've got to be smart, too. The outfit doesn't suit your body.
You're not selling it. If you walked out of here and you had your hand like hooked on that skirt, we might be like, whoa. Can you do a spin? All right, thanks, pal.
Okay.
Finally, somebody came in with something.
Okay.
Funny girl. Hi, pretty pooch.
You're having fun.
Hi, pretty
All these girls
pooch.
are taking this so seriously, and I'm going to be safe. So far, you've blown the girls away.
I got these things. Berry Burst, Toasted Coconut Colada, Lemon Ice, Orange Creamsicle, and Sweet Tart. They're all cocktails.
It's you that's sexy. It's not your outfit, it's how you sell it. And I think that's the magic. Now you're starting to look a little sexy.
Hey, mute your TV for a minute.
Grilled pork chops with tangy peach barbecue sauce.
Where's the cat?
Cat?
Where's the cat? Cat. Stand up. This is the cat that Ryan's infatuated with. What is that? What is that?
Cat?
Cat? Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Cat. Oh, there's dog food on your floor. Cat. Fawn, don't move it. What is that?
No touch. Hey.
Move it back, yeah. What is that? Huh? Tell everybody what that is.
What is it?
What do you want? What is it? Good boy. It is a cat. Cat. Cat.
Ryan.
Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Come here. Where's the dog? Look. Here's the dog. Look. Here's the dog. Look. Fonny, go see the baby. Go see the baby, Fonny. Go see the baby, Fonny. What's this? What's this? Is that car? Car? I know the cat. What about the car? He's like a little doggy that's just trying to get the cat out of the tree. Uh-oh, you dropped the car. Yes, the cat. I told you he likes it. You're like, he's talking about that. He's talking... Told you it was the cat.
It's like, meow. Meow. What is it? Ryan, what is it?
What's this?
No.
Ryan Hunter.
Excuse me.
Look, it's not up there now. Don't pull it. Don't pull it. Careful.
What is it? What is it? Hi, puppers. Dog, cat. Dog, cat. High five. High five.
Ow.
High five, Fawn. You high five? High five, Fawn. Oh, get back. Ready? High five. High five. High five. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Okay, give me your paw. No, give me the paw. Fawn, give me your paw. Paw. Give me your paw. Thank you. Good girl. Nice to meet you. Good girl. High five. Thank you. Love you.
Till Adriana, bye. Bye, Ryan. Where are you going? Where are you going? Uh-oh, where are you going?
Can you bring me the screwdriver, please?
Uh-oh, not in Devin's room. Devin's not in there. The cat's not in here. Uh-oh, Dev. Your bed and bottle of water. Come on, let's go see Devin. Come on. Come here. Yes, come on.
Can you open my schedule?
Where'd you put it? Oh. Come on, let's go. Keep going.